Hi, preparatory stage. Today, we will continue the basic summer course that we will start it from the beginning of summer vacation. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new video. Our video today is about conversation between two persons. In this video, I will practice you or training you to how to make the conversation is a part of our summer course. Let's go to our video today. In this video, in this dialogue is about a new recipe. Let's read the dialogue. Let's read this dialogue or this conversation. The conversation between mom and Farah. What are you doing, Farah? Mom asking Farah, what are you doing, Farah? Farah, a research task for school. That's an interesting picture. What is it? Farah, it's called baramodi. It's something, it's kind of food. It's a river fish from Australia. Mom, where does the name come from? So here, where to ask about what you can remember me preparatory stage as we learned during the summer course and during the classes of grammar. We know where asking about what, asking about place. Oh, I think I explained this before more and more, and you can revise the videos that I explained the rules of grammar to know so. So here, where to ask about places. So here, when we hear mom ask about the place, so to want to know where is this name come from? Where does the name come from? Farah, it's from a native Australian language and means large-scale river fish. Mom, so the name describes what is it. So the mom explaining that this name of Barboni of this Barboni food or this Barboni type of food comes from this kind of fish. Okay, let's continue the rest of the conversation. Mom, so the name describes what is it? Farah, yes, and you can eat it in nearly every restaurant in the country. People usually eat it with tomatoes and potatoes. Okay, so this is the integrants of this dish. Mom, how did you do your research, Farah? First, I decided on a country. Mom, and I picked and you picked Australia. Farah, yes, I didn't know anything about Australian food, so I thought it would be interesting. Once I decided on the country, I went to the internet and did a research for famous dishes. I looked for a few different websites so that I could check the information. I then looked at the questions from the project and tried to find answers. The next thing I did was make notes. Then I selected the information from my notes that I wanted to include in my project. Finally, I wrote the receipt card. Do you want to see it? Here's another text. Let's read it together. Mira and Penny. Hi, Penny. What are you doing? Penny, I'm choosing decorations for wedding. So the dialogue between Mira and Penny. Mira telling Penny about the decoration for her wedding. Okay, I hope all of us have wedding. Okay, when you grow up, not now. Mira, hi Penny. What are you doing? Penny, I'm choosing decorations for my wedding. Mira, how exciting. Penny, yes, it is. I want all the decorations to be environmentally friendly. So we want the decoration to be environmentally friendly, okay? Not what is the meaning of this? Means the decoration can pollute the environment, like what like high like loud sounds, like highlights, like all these are all these not friendly for the environment, or destroy our environment. Let's continue the conversation together. Mira and Benny, that is cool. Can you show me some? Benny, sure, no problem. Here the paper, here the paper lanterns. I think all of us know paper lanterns, okay? And we have, you can we can access you can look on Google and say paper lanterns, and you can see the picture of this thing, okay? We will use this instant of balance. We use this thing replace the balance, which are made of plastic, and this is confetti made of lots of small dried flowers. Something is made of flowers, okay? Mira, it looks beautiful, but what about these glass? But what about these glass jars? They are candles. The jars contains the large contained. I'm sorry, here's a mistake here. The large contain food, so we washed them and put ribbon around them. We will put a small candle inside each jar and put them on the tables during the wedding meal. Mira, that is great way to reuse. Reuse means use it again. Means use this something again. When we say rewrite means I write again. Reuse means I use again. Reuse means do something again. Okay, that is great way to reuse them. What about your invitations, Penny? Penny, those will be digital, of course. We will email them to the guests. Okay. Today we have two conversations. We read it. I hope to benefit from our video today. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.